exercise. It's this position. We slowly take our breath on and slowly breathe out. On and slowly breathe out. On and breathe out. Our stomach slowly go on the floor. Our shoulders, we try to take together and stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our legs go to our head. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. Slowly go down. Take our hands and start to squeeze our body. So 1, take feet. Take one hand on and take circle our hand and starting stretching. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. Come back and change hand. 2, 3, 4, 5. Good change. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back and the last one in another side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. After that, we take breathe on. Slowly breathe out. Take 2 blocks for stretching our shoulders. And take it. And starting working. Be careful, your elbows must be strong. So 1, 4, 5. Good work. After that, we take blocks near and starting. Try do the bridge. So